Hey, what is up everybody? This is Sing from reviewofsoftware.com. Welcome to my person in price review. And you can see right now I'm inside a member series of the training. I will give you a full demo exactly what you're getting inside the training course. If you know this training and you're not really sure what you're gonna getting or what you're gonna learn, in this video I will cover everything you need to know about this training. Or you might be looking for the best bonus. Go with this. I have also put a lot of custom bonus that I will give for you. You choose the product to my link. And so make sure you stay to the end of this video. My bonus is really high quality as wow. So what is a person in price, right? Person in price, that is a training course will teach you how to make money from home, how to make money online. Then after a year and year, you have passive income after. So in this training is if you're looking for the faster way to make money, this training not for you, okay? Or if you are lazy people, this training also not for you. In this training is you need to work hard a few months, then the money will come later. And after that, just come a lot, just like your passive income, right? So basically everything you need to learn is everything over here. I will talk to this a little bit later. Just want to show you that everything inside the training is exactly the same strategy and the training I do. That's I bought a lot of money, but here is really small money. Okay, so right now, before we go to the footer in this training, and let's see what bonus I get for you and more detail about this product, right? So what you need to do now, click to the first link on the description of this video. Click to the first link in the description of this video. Then it will take you to my bonus page like this. Okay, click to the first link on the description of this video. If you take it to my bonus page here, so here I break down everything you need to know about the person in price. So yeah, you can come here, you can take a look here, and what you need to do next, you click to any yellow orange button here, then it go to the show page like this. Okay, then you can enjoy yourself here and you click to the get instant asset, then you're good to go. Okay, so let go to further about my bonus I give for you, right? So the bonus today I will give for you is my special bonus. Okay, this is my very special bonus. I only share for you and prepare for you in this video. So here are my 14 high quality bonus that I only give for you guys as you watch this video right now and you purchase the product from here. Okay, so the first bonus I will give for you today is SEO keyword mastery. So now everybody do business, you need SEO. If you just start to do your business or you start to make money online or you do your local agency, you need SEO. So I know that SEO really important. That's why I have include my high quality bonus for you here. That's just the first bonus, okay? And the second bonus I will show you do Google Ads, right? Google Ads is really important. You start to do your business or your website don't have any traffic. So this bonus gonna help you go faster. I will show you how to step by step to do Google Ads, okay? And the bonus number 3, I will show you do Bing Ads. Look, a lot of people do Google Ads, but Google Ads is the price really high, but Bing Ads is the price is smaller. And the good thing about it is the old people, they're searching on Bing. So that means you ask, your product is for the old people, you ask in the Bing ads, that's a lot of old people, and you know that old people have more money. So here I will show you step by step how to use Bing ads as well. And a lot more, I show you how to do video marketing. Anybody need video marketing if you are start to do your business right now? Video marketing is one of the highest convert, right? Highest convert right now. So you need video marketing. And I have a lot more. And right here I show you do YouTube SEO. I show you do review blogging. A lot of people, you try you a lot of money to build a blog, but here I have include you free. I show you step by step to do completely for beginner to do a blogging. Okay. And a lot more. I will show you how to do rank number 1 on Google less than 24 hours. Right? If you start to do the business, you need this because SEO really important. And not a lot of people can show you rank number 1 on Google less than 24 hours. And here I show you everything. Okay. And a lot more. Feel free to jump ahead to my bonus page, and I show you. You can see a lot of bonus I offer to you, right? So you need to post the product. You need to post the product before my countdown time. Okay, if my countdown time, my bonus will not available for you. So right now is a good time. Click to the first link on the description of this video. It will take you to my bonus page. Then click to any orange button here. Then you are good to go to the sale page here. Click to any red button here. Then you are good to go. Okay, so you will grab all my bonus I offer to you right here. This is very high quality bonus. You have all the bonus I give for you. So when you purchase the product and you want to download my bonus, you see a little bit, you see the, when you purchase the product, you go to WordPress and you see the product, the history product, and you go down to the bottom, little bit bottom, the blue button here, called asset affiliate bonus. So my bonus will available everything about my bonus will in here. Okay, you just click that, you can download everything. Right. So alright, that's it, all the my bonus. So right now let's go detail about the product inside the product, what they are teaching you inside, right? So you can see right here is the video welcome from the she is City Benefit, right? She's City Benefit. She from Spain. So I know her pretty well because you know they are affiliate. I also affiliate, so we meet really well. So she have joined affiliate program before me, so she had a lot of experience. So that's why she created the training called to teach more people how to make money and how to make passive income. Okay, so here also here is John here, so one of the top marketing. So you can see this is video welcome here, video workflow. Right, they show you everything you need to know before. Then this is they show you the bad niche. Right, so a lot of people will not show you the bad niche to promote. Right, if you do affiliate marketing, you see on the Facebook, you see on the YouTube, a lot of people teach you, but not a lot of people teach you exactly the niche. The most convert niche that. So in here they teach you everything you need to know about the choose the right niche. Right? And here they show you the offer, show you how to choose the most offer and the most the high commission, but easy to convert. Okay, they show you how to do clickbank, show you to JV Zoom, show you to WordPress. No, a lot of people just teach you how to do affiliate marketing in one platform like ClickBank, but in here they show you everything you need to know and anything, and they show you how do 3 platform affiliate website. You see here ClickBank, JV Zoom, and WordPress, everything, right? And they show you how to do blog. Well, that's awesome. You can do a blog. They show you do SEO. They show you how to do a funnel. right? They show you how to do funnel. Funnel is really important. If you are looking, you heard a lot of people say, oh, funnel, right? So you don't know exactly. Here they show you exactly what you need to learn, right? So there are 2 videos there, and they show you how to do review video. Wow, this training has everything you need to know, guys. Here, in my course, it's not my course, but the course I purchased, they charge a lot of money, but here is really small money. I show you just a little bit later, but here they charge really small money, but include everything you need to know if you want passive income. Okay, if you want a more passive income in the future. It's just want to tell you that it's not just like you go there and you can do, right? I mean, you go there, you just not purchase a few days and you can have money. It's not like that. You need to work hard and you put 100% to learn everything. Then the money will come later, right? So here you see the result. They teach you how to do video. They show you how to get a result. So you do collusion. So this is the end of the video. So they have everything you need to know, guys. You have everything you need to know here. There are a lot of video here, but very detailed about everything. You know how to choose the good niche. You know how to choose the best offer, how to create a convert blog, how to create a funnel, how to create a YouTube video, how to create a review, how to create a video, and how to get result and more. You see everything you have here. So I think this training is great because here is you exactly send the strategy that I use, and now this training is really small price. So let's see the sale pay, right? This is the sale pay. If you don't know where the sale pay, click to the first link in the description of this video, then it will take you to my bonus pay. Then click to any orange button here, then you go to the sale pay like this. Okay, so when you're right here, let's see, right? Passive impress with 30 minutes that produce automatic income day in, day out, right? That's everything. So take a look at the result. You are getting passive impress, right? You see everything. This is from the Senator and John Newman. And then you are not making money online. It's not your fault. Right? A lot of people think you are smart enough to make money online, but the real reason you are struggling is because it's misinformation. Right? They break down everything. The reason you need to join this training, guys. Yeah. Again, if you are try a lot of course on the YouTube, or you buy some course over there, they teach you, but you not really get result. So this training, I recommend that you should consider, because here is the small price. First is small price, but the value inside is have full everything you need to learn about if you want to be passive income. And that's exactly the same strategy that I use right now, but I pay a lot of money. I can't tell you right now, but a lot of money. It's the lot. I cannot tell you right now, but here is really small price. You see, yeah. And they have, don't forget that they have 30 money back guarantee, 30-day money back guarantees. I show you. And they also have very cool bonus. Yeah, you see they have bonus, they have 4 bonus, but remember that my bonus on the top of this bonus, okay? On the top of this bonus. And feel free to jump ahead to here and enjoy yourself. And then when you like the product, just click to any red button here, then you're good to go. And you also can, you will have include my bonus too. And if you don't like the product, you just ask for the refund after 30 days, and then you keep my high quality bonus. Okay, so they have 30-day money-back guarantee. It's simple. Don't want to anything impress you from getting your hand on the passive impress. You will make it 100% risk-free, right? They have 30-day money-back guarantee, right? So this is pretty cool. I like that. So, right. So let's see the price, right? The price. What is the price for this? Okay, so if you don't know the price, show you here, click to the first link in the description of this video, and then you scroll down here. This say passive impress funnel, right? They have funnel. So the funnel, they will have a few upsell. For the upsell is the down here, you see in the bottom on the page, you take option 1, option 2, option 3, they have 4 upsell. So exactly I show you here. So what's the price of upsell, right? So from the end, so you purchase the product right now, only $13. It's really cheap, super cheap. And that's the value you get inside have full everything you need to learn, then you can be a passive income. Everything you need to learn, guys. And only $13. It is a really small price. Then here you have on the passive income, your customer will learn how to make passive income in 24 hours, right? So the upsell number 1 is $27. Then downsell is $17. You teach the event and strategy to explore the result, right? They will get to the FY bonus pay every week and 360 day and unique upsell number 3. They have the passive impression right 67, right? The downsell 47. This is pretty cool. So passive impress are your own product, keep on the profit commission and into the funnel. Coaching in monthly where I will help you to anything you need to guarantee internet marketing. Now this is the last, the highest upsell, right? So this is pretty good to go, guys. The first price here on $13 is good to go. And when you go inside, if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade to, let's see, what I recommend, right? So I would recommend you go with the option 2, because here will show you they will show you the FY bonus pay every week for the 360 days. So this is good to go after you purchase this. Okay, so alright, so yeah, so remember that you need to purchase the product before my countdown time. And you go to my bonus page right now, click to any orange button here, you go to the sale page, then you purchase the product and you will hold my bonus. I recommend for you here. Okay, so thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, click subscribe, click the bell icon. Every time we upload a new video, you get notified. And don't forget that I have a lot of custom bonus that you need them. And the price for the passive impress only $13. That's really small price. Okay, so thank you so much. I hope this video will be helpful, and I will see you in another video. Bye bye.